Hey guys, welcome back to ATM Unit 8 Trigonometry Review. This review will cover number 9 through 20. Okay? So you want to use your unit circle to kind of help you out right here. Alrighty. Now take a look. I'm in the second quadrant, so it has to be between pi over 2 and pi. So I'm going to start off with 11 pi over 4. Now the whole circle is 2 pi. Okay? So let's see what we've got. 11 divided by 4 minus 2. So that is the same thing as 3 pi over 4. Okay. So, guess what you have? You have a cotangent of 3 pi over 4, and cotangent is always your x over your y. So let's take a look. What is your x value at 3 pi over 4? Negative square root of 2 over 2, okay, divided by y. I'm going to go ahead and take the reciprocal, so 2 over square roots of 2. These guys reduce, and these guys reduce to give you negative 1. So negative 1 times 1 comes out to be negative 1. There's your number 9. Okay. Number 10, cosecant. Now keep in mind, cosecant is the same thing as 1 over secant, okay? Which is the same thing as, not 1 over secant, so sorry, 1 over sine, which is the same thing as 1 over y. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so I am at 270 degrees, and this coordinate right here is 0, negative 1, okay? So cosecant of 7 pi over 2, right there, I already know, is 3 pi over 2, and that comes out to be 1 over your sine. What is your sine value? Negative 1. So 1 over negative 1 gives you negative 1. Just like that. Okay? You can take the reciprocal if you want. Number 11. Okay? It needs to be between 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi. So let's take a look. So I started off with 15 pi over 4. Okay? So 15 divided by 4 minus 2. Okay, see how it's under 2? So go ahead and hit math frac, which is the same thing as sine of 7 pi over 4. Just like that. Okay, so where's sine of 7 pi over 4? Right here. You see how it kind of matches it? Right here. So what is your sine at that point? Your sine is always your y value, so that comes out to be negative square root of 2 over 2. Keep in mind, sometimes you have to rationalize, okay? All right, number 12. Number 12, this needs to be between pi and 3 pi over 2. All righty, so let's take a look. You got negative 3 over 4. Since it's negative, I'm going to add 2. Which is the same thing. It's under between 0 and 2, so this is the same thing as 5 pi over 4. So sine of 5 pi over 4. Sine is always your y value. So at 5 pi over 4, which is right here, see how that matches up? Your sine value is negative square root of 2 over 2. There will be times that you will have to rationalize. Just keep that in mind. Okay? Alrighty. Now we're going to convert each degree measures into radians and each radians into degrees. So, if I'm starting off with degrees, I want to get rid of degrees, so I'm going to say 360 is the same thing as 2 pi. Just like that. Okay? So, take negative 600 times 2 divided by 360. Just like that. Or you can do it like this. Negative 600 times 2 divided by 360. That is the same thing as negative 10 pi over 3. Okay? Or this is the same thing as 1 over 80. Negative 600 over 180 is 10 pi over 3. 14. You have radians. You're going to convert that to a degree. So if radians on top, I'm going to put radians on the bottom. So 2 pi. Oops. I don't mean to write pi twice. Let me fix that. 2 pi is the same as 360. So, you're going to take 360. Excuse me. Let me try this again. Okay. So you're going to take negative 46 times 360 divided by 9 divided by 2. Well, that's not it. I'm going to try again. Negative 46 times 360 divided by 9 divided by 2. That comes out to be negative 920 degrees. Don't forget your symbol. You got to write your symbol, degree symbol, okay? 15. 15, you got radians. So I want to convert that to degrees. So 2 pi is equal to 360, okay? So here's my math. Negative 31 times 360 equals, divided by 18, divided by 2. And that leaves you the same thing as negative 310 degrees. And let me close that one. All right. Number 16. I have degree. I want to convert it to radians. So I'm going to put 2 pi over 360. Okay. So you have, let me go this way. There we go. Clear. 160 times 2 divided by 360. Math. I want it fractions. I don't want a decimal. 8 pi over 9. Okay. Number 17. Ready for 17? I got radians. I want to convert that to a degree. Because 2 pi is the same as 360. So negative 8 times 360 equals, divided by 9 divided by 2. And that gives you negative 160 degrees. See how your radians just cancels out. Number 18. I have radians. Let's convert this to degrees. So 2 pi is equal to 360. Cancels out. So you have negative 7 times 360 divided by 4 divided by 2. And that's the same thing as negative 315 degrees. Don't forget your degree symbol. Okay? Number 19. All right. I have a degree. Let's convert this one to radians. So 290 times 2. Oop, that's not it. 290 times 2 divided by 360. Let's try again. 290 times 2 divided by 360. That's the same thing as 29 pi over 18. Number 20. I have a degree. Let's convert this to radians, so 2 pi over 360. Now, guys, if you really wanted to, you could convert that yourself. So 30 goes into 60 one time with 12 left over, okay? 2 over 12 is 1 and 6. So this is pi over 6. Let's see if I'm right. All right, here we go. You can type that into your calculator. 30 times 2 divided by 360. Pi over 6. There you go. Okay? Good luck on your tests.